Break crypto. Break crypto. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Break crypto.
Hello guys and welcome to a new trading day. I might enter the trade here and I will explain later why this might be a good spot. We just engulfed this red candle with two green candles on 3 minutes, so it looks very good. Do we wait for it for one more minute? I don't think so. It's looking great. So let's enter. Put our stop loss a bit below. As usual, we are aiming for just 1%. And then we can enter another one later. So I was watching the price falling here and hoping it will bounce here at this support. We had a bullish trend line here and we also had a grid line, but it fell through. Now it's coming back up. So this is usual for crypto to fake out move. You expect it's bearish and then it suddenly turns up. I'm expecting this happens. We also have good bullish, triple bullish divergence on 3 minutes. So this is one lower low, one more lower low. And here on MACD we have low, higher low, one more higher low. So this can be a good place to enter. Let's see if we were right here. Okay, finally we have the first winning trade of the day. Looking good, looking good. So our bullish divergence seems to have played out. Now let's see what happened here. So from the last bullish trend line, we broke that to the downside. We turned back up from here, but when we came to that trend line again, we had a little bit of a rejection, and then going up, we passed the bearish trend line just for a bit, and then bounced from it and from the last bullish trend line, and really quick move to the upside. So the first trade played out great. Let's go to our trading diary and write it down. So this is the 23rd of August, and we won our first trade plus 1% on 20x, plus 60 bucks. That's so adding to yesterday's ending price that we have now 426, something like this, right? So we have to win one more trade and we're done for the day. So let's be careful entering a new trade. Let me delete this. So now let's analyze a little bit. So we don't need this trend line from before anymore. You can do this when your trend line gets broken and old. You just move it to another low. So now we have a new trend line. And you noticed while I was in the trade, I added one more trend line here. We're gonna still keep this bearish one because this can go up and go down to here again, and this might be a new support here. Let me delete these. Oops, what I did, sorry. Let me delete these. Okay, so you see we broke a bit this support, but it didn't fall through it. We just hang around here and bounced again. This doesn't mean that we are going for a new high now. This could go here and turn down again, but at least we rode one wave up and made some money. So I'm still gonna keep this on the screen, but let's remove all our drawings, hide drawings. And you might be wondering, why am I always doing the long trades these days? You have to have your bullish or bearish sentiment, otherwise you can't really. I mean, you could have traded shorts from here, but I think longs are working better these days. Let us go from 3 minutes to higher time frames. So we are following on 5 minutes this 200 simple moving average. So we're bullish. On 15 minutes we are above it. 30 minutes so we broke out here and found support on 200 simple moving average, going up again. So I would say this is bullish. It's slow moving, but it's still bullish. 2 hours, yeah, just above the 200. So I'm expecting a move up from here. Doesn't have to happen, but in our Elliott wave scenario, I think this should be wave 1, wave 2, and now this is the beginning of wave 3. At least that's my idea. Let's go on. 3 hours, still below, but we're creeping up. 4 hours, same story. You see the good support that we have from the 20 simple moving average. Now daily is what I like. You see the green momentum on MACD, and also weekly Weekly is in red, pretty deep, but look at this, it's kind of stopping here, and we are having a first green candle after some time. So we're bullish because of that. So let's go back to 3 minutes. And now we are waiting for a new chance to enter a long, and let's hope we don't have to trade 5 trades today. If we can have 2 good winning trades, we are done for the day. That's the idea. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Okay, we have some development now. You might wonder, why didn't I enter a trade here when we had 2 green candles again here? Simple reason is, here on the MACD we're still in green. Let's say this trade would be a bit would have more sense because we are in the red, but still you're always waiting for a bit more downside. You need to move down to get up, so this wasn't substantial. So we enter the trade here because we had a lot of downside, and we can go up. Now we had a move down again. It's always choppy up and down, so maybe we can enter now. We respected our grid line. We have a good green candle, and let's wait for the second one. Now let's see what is our percentage. Disable magnet for this. Oh, it's a really good candle. Wow. Now do we enter here? Do we wait for another one? Let's see. We should probably trade this on 10x, not 20x, because we have a lot of room here. I'm just gonna follow the rule and wait for another good candle. Let's wait. Let's have some patience. Okay, this really looks bullish. I think we can still... where is my long position? We can still trade. Let's enter here. Yeah, we're still trading 20x. It's still not over 1%, but this is a bit more riskier trade. But if you trade on 10x, then you have to wait for a much bigger move. Now let's be tight here because this is a big move. If we go lower than this, it's not good. So let's kiss this wick right on the line. If we go lower, this stop loss is gonna get triggered. I didn't wait for the end of the candle. It can get fast, but maybe it's better to wait for that. Doesn't matter. Let's go to 1% here. I have a feeling this will be a good trade. Let's see. Very, very good. Another winning trade for us. So we are done for the day. We have 2 winning trades. So now look how faster this move was than this one. Look at this big candle. So in Elliott wave terms, this is probably 1, 2. We have a third wave now, somewhere here, 4, 5. And the third wave is mostly the fastest one, but at the beginning it's a lot of chop and slow action, and then when we cross this bearish trend line it just went up. So on a larger picture I think it's similar. We are waiting for that wave 3. This was wave 1, wave 2, and now it's slow chop and then we go fast. If you want to see Bitcoin, it's a similar story here. Yeah. So 1, 2, this is 1, this is 2. We are waiting for big wave 3. And if you want to swing trade wave 3, I have another series that I'm planning. I'm recording right now. So these series are for day trading only, small trades like I did today. And you will have another series where I swing trade. So let's summarize for today. This is the 23rd of August and we won 2 trades. So this is in our rules, if you remember. Let's go to our rules. If you have 2 winning trades in a row, stop for the day, because that's enough. You don't want to be too greedy. So every day is different. So you see, first day on 21st we had 2 winning trades. We went from $300 to $420. Then on 22nd it was a bad day, a lot of losing trades, but we didn't make more than 5 trades and we didn't make more than 3 losing trades in a row, and we still didn't lose that much. Yes, so from 420 we went to 366, and today we are again richer than 420. So we are still improving every day. So every week is different. First week, amazing profit, like from $300 to earn 618. That's a lot. So every week is different. Let's see, before fourth week, 145, not a big profit. 291, this is good. 500 almost. So you see, you just follow your rules, you just be patient, and all is well. So let's see what happens with PEPE these days. I'm expecting this big move. I'm swing trading it too. Here we have a good swing trade that we entered, but that's for another series that you can also watch on my channel. So thank you guys. Thank you guys, like and subscribe, leave any comment you like, any questions that you might have, and see you soon. Bye bye. Just one small update before I end the video. Look at this, look at the respect here. Now tell me that the grid lines aren't real. It's insane. Now hanging around in the middle, right? So look, we went to here, to the middle grid line, went down, hang around here, bounced on this one, rejected here, now hanging around here. The grid lines are real, people.
Great crypto. Great crypto.